Well, hello again.
Hi.
On the way to Jacksonville, we realized we drove past by a bridge and we saw a bunch of cars. We turned around, come to find out you could drive on the beach and you could fish there, which I wanted to do all day today. Yesterday, I mean. We have some bait, so we're gonna be fishing. Hopefully we do a catch and cook episode today. We'll find out. Oh yeah, this makes Peter Point look like a joke. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. Very deep pocket in these sands. You know, I can see people getting stuck on here. Is it plugged in?
Oh, look right here.
There you go. It would help if you plugged it in. Hello, we're going to be doing a catch and cook today. She caught something. I haven't caught anything. She's going to be cooking. I need to get to work and start catching something. So at this moment, we don't have any, I guess, meat. The only meat we have right now is basically chicken. So we're gonna hopefully catch a fish.
Sauce. Make the sauce first.
So you're making lunch right now or dinner?
Yeah?
Are you making lunch or dinner?
I make dinner.
Dinner? Okay.
What time right now?
I have no idea what time it is.
Okay. You make dinner?
Yeah, you're making dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got fish sauce, this soy sauce.
Okay, you got soy sauce? And oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
What else you got there?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Yeah.
Wow. Looking really good so far.
Sugar.
Sugar. Isn't that like, oh, sugar?
Sugar. Sugar.
And that's soup broth.
Soup broth.
What is it? Broth soup. What is it?
Soup?
Yeah, broth soup. I don't know, one of them.
And then this one is cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Yeah.
That makes it really thick, right?
Yeah.
Just how much? How many teaspoons? A little bit?
One teaspoon.
1 teaspoon?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay. And then just put a little bit of water. This one.
Okay, water.
Yeah. And mix.
It's really that easy?
Yeah. And then
Wow.
this one is
Chicken.
chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Yeah, I cut already.
Okay. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, thank you, sir. Hi.
Hi. You guys can stay all till way late tonight.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I'm waiting for my food. That's all I know.
Got a whole day in the rough it ain't.
Yes, sir. So funny. That's it? Sweet.
But wait, that put the garlic inside.
Okay.
Ui, it's hot, I think. Tao thà đi.
Is it hot yet?
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay.
Put garlic in. Look, look. Garlic and chili pepper.
What?
Chili.
Oh, the chili pepper?
Yeah.
Good.
Smells good.
You know what we should do? We should just do like a whole cooking video for you.
Yeah.
Just like a cooking video. And there's chicken.
Yeah, this chicken.
I thought the girl was running. I bet the fish was biting. Oh, they gave up already? Everybody gave up. Everybody gave up. That's it, huh? It's all yours now. Look at this. More soy sauce?
Yeah, but for meat. This
Oh,
for the
meat. Oh, I see. For the
yeah, for the meat.
Is my fish pole biting all I want?
Not really.
So you're adding the sauce now?
Yeah, we add some sauce.
Okay.
This one first. It's a little bit first. Half. I'm done.
Huh?
Boom!
Boom. This is the same as you see at a Chinese buffet where they stir fry the, I don't know what that lettuce is. I don't know, bok chow or Asian broccoli. So if somebody know, you just gotta let me know. Cheers. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby. Wow, look at this.
Sweet. We got dinner. We got dinner. Hello. What an epic, wonderful day. We did a catch and cook. As promised, I caught a fish. She cooked.
Yes.
But the only problem was it's a little too late. We made dinner, we cooked dinner, and then I caught the fish. It was a whiting, perfect size, perfect everything. We can't do a catch and cook because I can't eat anymore. Hopefully later on, next time we'll do a catch and cook early in the morning. Hopefully I catch something before dinner time or lunchtime. But for right now, we're gonna have to end a beautiful, beautiful day for us. We had a wonderful time here, and this is an absolutely beautiful place. This so far is the most beautiful place to what I've seen yet, from all the driving, the sand, the long stretch of sand pathway you could drive on. We'll definitely be here again. We will definitely fish here. You'll see a lot of us here fishing. Other than that, on that note, we'll have to say goodbye.